Greetings fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at a lovely kit from Hobby Model. This is the MiG 15 Faggot. Scale is 133. It says it's medium difficulty, but we will see. And this kit was from 2009 January. So kit number 99. Interesting. So as you can see, you have the instructions. And then you have an overall framework and how the setup on the inside is, the fuel tank, the radar area or the area that contains a radar, and cockpit. So here's why I really like it. Look at the quality of the print. That, my friend, is printed on silver ink. Lovely. So this look like it's for landing gear and cannon in this. And then this sheet does not look 160 gram. I'm not quite sure. It looks like it's about 150. Then the fuel tank, and of course you saw this here, which would have been placed in here. So it looks like this belongs to the main wing panel, the underside. I'm not sure. You can tell me in the comments what this could be. Wheel well, cockpit area. So that's pretty interesting. Lovely. Look at this sheen. I like it. So polishing signal, red 110. Love the wing, love the streaks that would go here. That's supposed to be interesting. And this would be reinforced on 1mm sheet. And then you have this. This will be cut as a template, folded, made a mold so that we can get our plastic canopy. The detail of the landing gear, main wheel, front and side profile, nose wheel. You see the cannon underside, it's really nice, and front view. You notice the big guns, they may be slow velocity firing, but one bullet, I heard during the Korean War, touches you and that's it. And of course, we have the plan view and overall makeup of it. Overall, lovely kit. I keep saying I can't wait to build. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time, but to build as much model as I can, I will. So that's it. And of course, a beautiful overall picture of what the model looks like. The flaps that we saw earlier, fuel tank, it's really, really nice. So that's it. A kit from Hobby Model, number 99 from 2009. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and smile at life. You have so much ahead, so much that you can enjoy. No matter how rough it gets, the fact that you're alive, there's always tomorrow. So take care, my friends, relax, walk good, and above all, one love.